Lekker mense, good day and welcome to another South African lawn video. Renovation, but before we talk about renovation, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video. My, nog 100 rollen. How is that even possible? I just picked up dog poo for half an hour. Twee vlee op een drol. So renovations, this time of the year is absolutely perfect for renovations. However, I'm not so sure if it's so perfect for Kentucky Bluegrass because we've got low humidity and we've got high temperatures, you know, peaking here close to 30. And I don't know much, but I do know one thing, that Kentucky Bluegrass doesn't like low humidity and high temperatures. It prefers the more chilled temperatures, which would make you think that it's not a great time for renovations. However, this soil and this lawn just it's like it's shouting, Merrick, renovate me, Merrick, renovation. You know, those type of things. So I've neglected over the last 2 years to do a proper renovation. In other words, a scalp, spike roll and top dress. I've done some spike rolling, core aerating and top dressing in the past, but I haven't done a proper scalp and it's growing quite thick. So before I top dress, I might want to think of thinning it out a bit. So let's get into today's video. We're going to scalp and maybe even scarify to remove a lot of the top canopy growth of this Kentucky Bluegrass lawn. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I love everything more about this 20-inch mower. The only thing I don't like is that it weighs 400 kilos more. It's quite a job to get it up there. Okay, so I'm going to do a scalp with a catcher and I'm going to set my mower low, like very low. How low, you might ask? I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to see how low I can go. I want to take off most of the leaf blade. That looks like a low, so that it's easier to top dress. Yeah. Even more lower. Well, this is going very well. This is going really well. I didn't even swear once in all the time that I've done the trim pass and this beginning, and I'm definitely taking off quite a bit. Well, taking off quite a bit, yeah, Owens. You can say that I'm breaking the 1/3 rule. I'm already a little bit covered with grass. I have to walk to the compost heap to gooi the clippings away after every 2 passes here. Check, but definitely scalping. A little refuel here. I tell you, this thing is so light on fuel, you forget sometimes that it even uses fuel. Ooh, my Jerry is empty, but I'm confident that this quarter tank will be sufficient. Good English. Yeah, so let me tell you, on the topic of this lawnmower, I would never usually scalp with this mower just because of the blades. I don't want to blunt them and hurt the blades, but I tell you, this is, I don't know how to put it, but a clean lawn, if that's the correct word. If I can explain to you, it doesn't have a lot of stones, it's fairly even. This grass type is softer, it doesn't put as much wear on the blade, so it really scalps a dream. I wish I could always scalp with this machine because it's so strong, it just plows through the grass. But it works wonders today. What a beast. What a scalp that was. I feel like a real man in doing this. I must say the results that came up here, let me show you, looks incredible, Owens. I'm not too worried that this won't come back. A little bit low in some areas, as you can see there, but lots of grass left. So I think we'll be good to go. Obviously, I don't want to scalp this as aggressive as kikuyu. I think the recovering capabilities of this lawn is not up to par when we compare it with kweek and kikuyu. But a lekker scalp here, Owens. Have a look at that. Check there. Cut the life out of it. Already the birds. Look at them. Always when you scalp, those oakies come out. Guys, so that's basically going to wrap up this video. Once again, because of the next 10 days or so forecasted for cooler weather, it really pushed me to do the renovation right now so that I can get recovery over this next 10 days, or at least some growth in over the next 10 days when this grass type won't be under so much pressure. And I'm pretty sure the results will be great. So the next step would be a spike roll or some sort of aerification, so keep a watch out for that video. The scalp turned out wonderful. I don't think I'm going to verticut or scarify here. I think I took enough off the grass. And then the final step would obviously be a top dress. And I think I'm going to do it with my sand there at the back. Can you see those bags? Sand City. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, please. It helps it rank up in YouTube or whatever. I don't even know if it works. Let's try a dislike maybe if you didn't like the video. Oh, okay, here's a bee. Yeah, guys, cheers. Just got stung by a bee in my eye. Ow, ow. There's a, what do you call this thing, the ongle? That really got me right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably going to swell up right now. There's that, it's obviously going to die now, the poor bee, but this is going to leave a mark today. We're gathered here today to celebrate the life and mourn the loss of our dear friend Douglas the bee. Now Douglas was a great man, and Douglas left his mark in the world and on my eye. Douglas.